AI system misses certain objects? A single false negative like failing to detect a pedestrian could lead to so many consequences. And dear friends, it processes up to 20 frames per second, making it deployable in drones, robots, and even consumer devices. So the system also handles occlusions and object reappearance, ensuring continuous tracking even in challenging conditions. And the best part, the entire project is open source, encouraging rapid adoption and improvement. Dear friends, the result, yes. So zero shot 3D modeling of high quality avatars without the need for traditional modeling tools. We are entering a new era where AI doesn't just recognize or generate images. It understands, adapts, and creates with precision. Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss another deep dive into cutting-edge advancement in AI vision. We are exploring remarkable breakthroughs in image recognition, segmentation, video tracking, and image generation. Dear friends, from improving 3D object detection to real-time object following, efficient segmentation techniques, and even creating high-quality 3D avatars from text. So these innovations are redefining the limits of artificial intelligence. Join us as we unravel these pioneering techniques and understand how they are shaping the future of AI-powered vision. Dear friends, you can find the full paper link in the description, and if you reference this paper in your research, make sure to cite it. Let's get started. So the first topic, it is on image recognition, and the paper is Focal Former 3D. So focusing on hard instance for 3D object detection. Dear friends, imagine an autonomous vehicle navigating a busy intersection. It needs to detect pedestrians, cyclists, and other cars with a near perfect accuracy. But what if the AI system misses certain objects? A single false negative like failing to detect a pedestrian could lead to so many consequences. And this is where Focal Former 3D comes in. It introduces hard instance probing, that is HIP, a novel approach that forces the model to focus on difficult to detect objects. The model employs a multi-stage query generation that system to refine its predictions. Additionally, it utilizes a box level transformer decoder to sift through massive object candidate efficiently. And the result are groundbreaking. Yes, the Focal Former 3D ranks first place on the recent LiDAR leaderboard for object detection and tracking, providing its superiority in real world scenario. Whether it's an autonomous driving or robotics or a security application, this innovation significantly reduces false negatives, making AI-driven perception more reliable than ever before. The next topic we are going to discuss is on video analysis and understanding. Dear friends, the paper is Follow Anything, OpenSec detection, tracking, and following in real time. Imagine a drone following a package delivery robot in a warehouse, or a surveillance system tracking a person of interest. Traditional object tracking model struggles with the real world complexity, where objects occlude or disappear or change appearance. Enter Follow Anything. So a real-time system that can detect, track, and follow any object even though it has never seen before. Unlike traditional models limited to pre-trained categories, this Follow Anything FAN operates on an open vocabulary multimodal frameworks. User can track objects via text or images or clicks, making it highly versatile, and using advanced visual descriptors from foundation models. This Follow Anything achieves state-of-the-art tracking while running on a laptop GPU. And dear friends, it processes up to 20 frames per second, making it deployable in drones, robots, and even consumer devices. So the system also handles occlusions and object reappearance, ensuring continuous tracking even in challenging conditions. So this innovation is a game changer for security, automation, and real-time AI vision system. And the best part, the entire project is open source, encouraging rapid adoption and improvement. The next project, of course, this paper is on image generation, ConceptLab, creative concept generation using VLM guided diffusion prior constraints. Dear friends, what if you wanted to generate a brand new species of bird, one that doesn't exist but looks completely natural? This is exactly what ConceptLab enables. Instead of just modifying existing images, ConceptLab introduced creative text-to-image generation using diffusion prior constraints to generate entirely new concepts. The system ensures originality by integrating questions, answering models that push creativity further. It also allows for concept blending, meaning users can generate hybrid images like a futuristic car mixed with an ancient chariot, so while still maintaining realism and coherence. So this approach has exciting application in art, entertainment, and scientific simulation, where AI can generate novel biological species or futuristic city spaces. And next, of course, it's an interesting paper, AvatarVerse, a high quality and stable 3D avatar creation from text and pose. Dear friends, 3D avatars are the foundation of gaming, virtual reality, and digital identity. But creating them is complex and time consuming. What if AI could generate highly detailed 3D avatars using just text description and pose input? Meet AvatarVerse, a breakthrough system that transforms text prompts into realistic, expressive, and highly detailed 3D avatars. Uses a 2D diffusion model guided by dense pose signal to establish 3D pose control. Tackles the Janu's problem, so where generated avatars has inconsistent detail across different angles by enforcing multi-view consistency. A progressive high-resolution synthesis strategy ensuring sharp texture and accurate 3D structures. And dear friends, the result, yes, so zero-shot 3D modeling of high-quality avatars without the need for traditional modeling tools. So this revolutionized gaming, virtual influencers, and metaverse applications, making 3D content creation accessible to everyone. Okay, next it is on image segmentation. ReMaX, that is relaxing for better training on efficient panoptic segmentation. Dear friends, this paper presents a new mechanism to facilitate the training of mask transformer for efficient panoptic segmentation, so democratizing its deployment. The authors observe that due to its high complexity, the training objective of panoptic segmentation that is leads to much higher false positive penalization. This imbalance makes training difficult, especially for efficient model. And dear friends, ReMaX introduced relaxation techniques to mask and class prediction during training, significantly improving model performance without any extra computational cost during inference. And by combining this method with efficient backbones like MobileNet v3 or small or ReMaX achieves state-of-the-art results for panoptic segmentation on COCO ADE 20K and city spaces. Okay, so here it is the last paper for this today's episode. Segment anything meets point tracking, the segment anything model, that is SAM, has established itself as a powerful zero-shot image segmentation model, employing interactive prompts such as points to generate masks. Dear friends, this paper presents SAM-PT. There is a method extending SAM's capability to track and segment anything in dynamic videos. And here the SAM-PT leverages robust and sparse point selection and propagation techniques for mask generation, demonstrating that a SAM-based segmentation tracker can yield strong zero-shot performance across popular video object segmentation. There's benchmarks including Davis, YouTube's, VOS and more. Compared to traditional object-centric mask propagation strategies, this SAM-PT uniquely uses point propagation to exploit local structure information that is analogous to object semantics. And yeah, dear friends, that wraps up today's exploration of cutting edge AI advancement in image recognition, segmentation, tracking and generation. So from 3D object detection that reduces false negatives to real-time object following efficient segmentation techniques and even AI-driven creative image synthesis, these innovations are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We are entering a new era where AI doesn't just recognize or generate images, it understands, adapts and creates with precision. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of AI-driven vision. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to keep up with the latest developments. See you in the next video, dear friends. Happy learning.